Hello my acquaintances. Today I am showing you how to do this Grimace outfit and makeup. And the earrings I don't show you how to make, but my commissions are open. I know a milkshake one would make more sense, but I don't have those. So if you have some of those, I'm talking to you like you're me. If you have some milkshake earrings, just throw them on, you know. But yeah. I wanted to continue my McDonaldland series, and luckily for me, like I did the Hamburglar a couple of years ago. Luckily for me, McDonald's has just been bringing back the old characters in advertisement lately. And obviously, if you don't remember, the Grimace shake, it was a big deal. Grimace's birthday was a big deal this year. So, yeah. So if you want to see how I did this, and just keep watching it. Okay, I think for the outfit, it'd be pretty easy to make a Grimace outfit. But as long as you have something purple, and is it still recording? Okay, cool. And some kind of McDonald's paraphernalia, I think you'll get the message across. So I think as far as the makeup goes, if you want to go full out and do face paint, epic. I'm just sitting in my room making a silly little video, so I don't really want to do all that. So the main focus of Grimace, like his recognizable traits, are his big Grimace smile. There's dust, so much dust in this room. So, sorry if you could see it. There's not a lot of light in here, and when the ring light, you can see it all. Anyways. And his big round eyebrows. So, for the eye makeup, pretty much just do whatever purple look you want to do. And he does have a pretty prominent black line across his lid, just like the Hamburglar does. So, I'm gonna do a purple look with a black line. Now, depending on your Grimace reference, the era of Grimace, if you will, he's usually like a true purple and like occasionally a darker, kind of more orchid purple. So I'm gonna use a more orchidy kind of darker purple, like probably a mix of the shade Controversy and the Mini Controversy green palette and this Dark Matter in the Intergalactic Jolie Beauty palette. I don't know if I'm still partnered with them, but if you want to use this code, you might get a discount. I don't think I'm gonna get anything from it, but you might get a discount. So, and I'm gonna just start with a crease brush with the lighter shade first, and then the darker shade. Next, I'm gonna just go in with this purple shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics with a flat brush, or like a regular eyeshadow brush, not really flat, but like a regular eyeshadow brush and just go across the lid. And then I'm going to take the shade Ultraviolet in the Intergalactic palette and pretty much go right over top of that using the same brush. And now I'm going to go in with a flat brush and go over top of that again with Ultraviolet because I really want it to be like popping. And because I'm me, I'm gonna take a little brush and take a white purpley highlight color, specifically Stardust in the Intergalactic palette, and just go in the inner corner. And of course, your Grimace. You can do this however you like. You can yassify it if you want. Throw some glitter in there. It's all up to your interpretation. You could really yassify it, angle it out, smoky eye, lashes, but I'm just gonna finish this with some eyeliner and purple mascara. I am going to use purple mascara. This purple I have is very expired and I don't know if it's going to show up at all, but I am going to use it for the sake of this, and then I'm probably going to throw it away. But it is the Avon. You can tell it's fucking expired because it's Avon, but it's Avon Super Shocks Brights mascara. It's all I had access to at the time. Right, so you know your mascara is expired when you open it up and put it on and it smells like tequila. So do as I do.
Nope.
No.
Scratch that. Reverse it.
Reverse it. Do as I say, not as I do. I think I'm also gonna do glitter. Because I have this purple glitter. And I think that would be really cute. So, you know, the glitter is not going to come off my face, which is kind of sad, but I'm going to use it anyways. And it'll be fine. So, there we go, Grimace. He has very round eyebrows, and they are dark. They're black. So, I don't necessarily want to do black, so I'm just gonna find the darkest purple that I have at my disposal. So I know I have a really dark purple in this palette, which I also love, which is the same brand. You could try and use that code, but there is this shade called Galactic, which is this really dark purple, and I'm gonna take this brush, which is not an eyeshadow brush, because I don't want the sharp angles from an eyeshadow brush. As I mentioned, his very round eyebrows. So I'm going to take that shade and just fill in my natural eyebrow shape first. And kind of, instead of, I usually like stop here and then go like that, I'm just arcing them. And done goofed. These look angrier. No, I look so angry. I'm supposed to look like Grimace. I guess Grimace was initially evil. But I don't want to be evil. I want to be cute little Grimace. So I'm going to try and soften up this by just kind of going like that. Okay, That's what we're gonna do for the eyebrows. Okay. Okay. Next, Grimace smile. So he actually very clearly has a black smile. So you can do this with black, but because I have purple lipstick, I'm gonna use purple. So I will first just start. I should have brought a separate mirror with the normal. Oh, actually, not true. Don't do that. I'm going to start with this black and kind of extend it out my tiny, non-existent white people lips. Alright. I feel like it's really starting to read Grimace now. So I have the little grin. Grimace. And, you know, I am gonna go with the glitter because fuck it. We Grimace, we ball. So I'm using the ColourPop Sailor Moon. I think this is Moon Prism Power. And thought I should use a brush for this, but I am just using my hand. Sure, you know. And just kind of creating like pretty much the same little W shape his mouth has, but with the glitter. Okay, I like that. That's cute. Alright, and then rub the rest of the glitter in. Sure. Fine. And next I am going to put on a wig, purple beret. I feel like that's very Grimace coated. Okay, actually, so this is a curly beret. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on backwards because I don't want the curly in the front because this is not her moment. Grimace! Okay. And I think I actually might put on some purple overall skirt too. Because I was gonna at first put on these shorts. But I think the skirt is more like, I don't know. And also, I have the McDonald's Loungefly Happy Meal backpack bag. So, there's that. And that's pretty much the final look though, before I make those little subtle changes. I feel like if you wore this to a party, you definitely would read Grimace. And if you don't, like, literally just McDonald's paraphernalia. No, not everybody has a collection of McDonald's stuff at their house, like me, because I collect McDonald's stuff. But other option is like have your friend be like the Hamburglar or something. That's really easy. I did a tutorial on it. Or like it's really easy just in general. Or like a Ronald, you know, like a clown and Grimace, like really easy. But yeah, Grimace. So you know to bye, subscribe, see you later all you haters.